Hi. So this is the coffee machine. I'll show you how big it is with a little muggy thing. That's a normal size mug. And this is where you flip the top part up. Doody-doody-doody-doo. Dump the coffee water in. But first you should have put coffee into the little filter basket thingy. And then there's another little filter basket thingy. So it gets double filtered. So you put the coffee into there. And then you put the water into there. Close the lid. And this has two heights, so you could have this is hard to do only looking through my phone. That is normal size mug. And that's a bigger mug. You can even put a taller mug in there. Those are the two mugs together. And obviously the bottom in here is if there's any little spilly bits, it goes into the little reservoir. And then when it's time to make the magic, there's the button. You can do regular, or there's the little bold button, and it just kind of makes the water come out of the thing here, like a little bit faster or a little bit slower. So push the button and have the coffee, and then nom 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 nom. Yay, happy coffee. Okay, bye.